barabara inaisha bwithiro ni MTF twina ciuria bingi muno pio muria so bi that wakolomona tebwe gura ni ciuria tegunywa chai nanyu na murega baishu na the two sisters barabara ya bakira and the show in the county tebatwi kana ndo babaite fellowship
but mheshimiwa here we na kanya ka kwithro kiuri ciuria bi ukuria bia barabara bia tibitari you have a chance ya kwithro kiuri ciuria bi royurukire ukarinthi one on one na governor. Take that chance.
But it was more serious at the Senate. In fact, if you remember, remember impeachment here, but it was with the petition. One did she discriminated. Then assembly ngwira no sick statement. Ke various department she the executive. But wira like winde kolomerenda uri kiuri kenjia. Mwaka 2023-2024. There's a time I require na uniform maili 3. Wasted 3 million. A statement deterenda sick mo karu ariku ruari. So okay the statement ira to kuria the department otoshokia. Kana timu eku ya CECs kana chief officers but kombo shoki statement ira members about sick. Through the legal process ire to assembly. Already tatonyo chaya alafu ujibushure biu kicha kana mandazi together togereya. So we are not ready to eat mandazi ya kawira. We are not ready to kunywa chai ya kawira. Ukethwa kwibwa kwenda kuwa all statement irasiete sort kire assembly. Nisho kwena batu we are ready to respond ki statement ile ku you. Lakini ikombeke chai cha big no.
So mheshimiwa you see Kawira Mwangaza ni bwithirito bwendwene for the last 2 years. Areao na kwenda kumeka amends na kwenda ochokaniria ndoire bati kwithirero ati hatikatungieria na kanyaka akayanite ariwe ya mutongeri kinyawe. Why don't you want kwithiro bwitu mathiri atika these two arms of government, executive na legislature?
Martin ngushoki nyuma kidogo. Kawira batu itwa muimpichire turi assembly tono ni tutena faith no ngweshi akira akurita senate yata ya approved the case in court na tuina imani by March 14 ekethire kuthira kwina issues ira tweterto a site ki motion yetu inyingi mno na tikidogo. Number 2 Martin issue Kawira era ni on incompetence na kuelewa kurita kuelewa manto ya governance. Number 2 kintu kwetwa discrimination noro ne report ya control of budget ya uma yone ne Kawira atite ngwe just one region manto ya yonde yetemyo kariro ande na Kawira abatu atukunyite as an assembly batu to am impeached na to us munkaru wari Kawira is an impeached governor wa Meru County. The governor oratu enu endi signate awaiting swearing in. Those are two court shimwekete not the assembly. But we to the assembly to vote 49 members of the county assembly of Meru to wa Kawira ati kubokwithirwa governor Meru na twethira na ground ithatu na ira senate yetire eroma nacio. So court niwe mwekete for a period of time. So atena capacity na atena right yo tweta batwi as the MCs of Meru.
So the reason eraboteta weteka Kawira uyu no ntuba kwithirwa na ibwa mu impeachre kana no ntuba kwithirwa butikwenda kana no ntuba kwithirwa bwena budget erabo abwithirie. What is the main reason eraboteta weteka?
Reason number 1, Kawira is impeached. That is reason number 2. Number 1. Reason number 2. Batu toko bwile kintu kitwa program based budget. Kawira itira abwidi alterations yake na ikundi yake kia the executive. Atato concentrate akiyo change mirandi ira twekirite ordinance yetu. Right? So utwira no tete kuritangwe ingwere ko tete kuritana batu na kanya kalori na ko batu utwira nkwenda kwa bona you didn't. Wetiro change mirandi wekire kwiro kwenda ira kuya kubwidi okolea ntorene. So reason yu nyashi yelaki. Number 3 okiakulele report ya control of budget. Kwena issues yeko race inyingi mno. Kintu kimwekera to kumya Kawira na atite ikwembezo resources ya Meru na njira nyingi mno na nikuoneka. So reason issue that ni to kumenya batu turoka na Kawira on any table. Na those are the reasons ila to inashoba batu and that is our stand to members ba county assembly na tu nete ameru asob de na shibitari na ringira ameru arome wengwa abere barabara ndekureta kintu kito MTF itwethetie bo nabu ntu eta wondi na nyingi complaints irio koi members ba nyimno ba create bridge koi ba create kalbati kintu kito MTF kiage kan grind barabara utheri inyinge inyete kiri mwara so ari twita mbere already there is an error kim budget ya 2023-2024 irate kwenda correct munkada iriku so tuje tukubwithia ringi tukwate kubwithia makosa after kubwithia mess riwo twite utone turi antu tuye tukuthambie meya yaku. It's a big no, I repeat.
Make me understand, Bwana DS atiri, you know, tukiambirie nombirire kiri 145 tionde MCAs ibakutheta baraba ingi kwithirwa ati wondi twiti bwithitwe maendeleo itithwe twina budget ira bwethire ya 22 ya 22-23 bwethia 23-24 na budget yenyo ya 24-25. So where is the money ya budget ito ithatu?
Good. Kiyo gyori nyatu twenda kuria kawira. And that's why Ameru bona tukimpeach kawira. Tutemu impeach no ndo atwami.
Eteni bo muriro uyu.
No, tutona kanya kwa muriro uyu. Kanya kala twara ko muria. Okay, gyori ke 2022-2023. Ito ari na impeachment. No ndo issue ya reasons imara tona that ate kumba kurtangui. Number 2 bora ko edi kuiambia cia Meru. Na batu to watu tetekiria ritangu iriko. Na tuendelea na ngwe to oversight. So bondi nyingi muno that year ya 2022-2023 munkaruari kwenda project ira twekirite na tutishe na ambia cietire funny thing baba aritere ngui barero mbiri ku you and that's why one batu tweta senate a team of MCAs bara bari na issues au pick one engia twekirite mbia sharuwi almost 1 million itono riraya na flagship project jiani mwera atahere nombi twekirite shendisha bonda maili 3 na mungene bando itabu ithu munkala iriku thai na floodlight entureta wagitwa mwari twa the year 2023-2024 awere tangu na project ya 15 million every ward munkaru ari wondi mwe kinyoga uro bibi aritirwe you cannot tell ringi baba aritere ngui betre ata barirwe and that's why bona to mu impeach ringi. So bahatu wara tukinyite itukona mbia cia Meru icio tumiro bubui na ngwe tote kuthamba sheme ya kawire ya bwithia meja riwa twita itukuma intention ya geri ni ya tugiyo kugilugia supplementary budget na thine ya tuona ya gatwa miuro tulwelia ntumure bahatu atulwelia ora tukari we are not as fuzas kwera things.
So you're saying mantu ya other mantu ya obo ambekenda bwite kire supplementary budget
basically Meru na ishika kawira in drama queen ngoji yake iko dramatize na vipindi na masinema so ato mwira batwe to fall to that trap now lo bro na tutira ende kuritango yu na ture batwe to akilokire budget niongo ya MCAs assembly go ya executive ku implement so non to netre change ya brato wirite naendelea na implementation yake.
Mheshimiwa for the benefit ya mumiroro tuthikirite thaa na utwana kire Weru TV thaa ire you know we know that budget ire yetikirwa na wikiro kirore na mbechi lokilwa ni control of budget ni budget ire ni kana ni mbechi ire si budgeted na chietikanirwa atika executive na assembly so kawira change ya budget na yetikirika ni COB
Martin ya kutukui yara yeo budget ira batu to akilukirie 2024-2025 ni change itwe tukiawita
change it without your knowledge,
without our knowledge
na without your approval
na assembly niyo ina final say so kawira namba 1 atithia ataira sheria ini atha Meru gwa kwenda na sheria Meru is baite oreta agera ntukula sakramenti leo msikula kesho ibwala Meru so batu to amekire that it was realizable na tuandika the first letter ke control of budget na ito itete kuandika ingi to make formal complaints ira tukaadapt to the 49 members no tukawira ati no authority ekurea kuthia ta sheria and that's why tukwenda kumia no kana cieka wira no ntutiro athia ta sheria ukethro assembly niyo ina say ki budget ira kabwithwa then executive ya implement then governor wengi akoloma change bora tuwite onduma case in example na ibo kuona advertise it wita ku launch barabara au niyo akurira mbia cia Meru na niyo ya irambia in fact the previous year Meru mbira twekirite cia barabara is 734 million kawira endeki MTF 534 200 million totishe na acietere toshoka ki MTF otengwirite ringi ibo kuona ngwira yite kwethia mbia cia kwandika arimo ba ECDE twina deficit almost arimo 700 na itwekire mbia ke budget mbia cia kwandika madaktari itwekire ke budget no tukawira ate kwenda ku prioritize mantu ya biete ku launch ya ki barabara no ntwani wa kuyira mbia thuru mnyama wetu MTF na dai it is funny abatu turi MCA zato etere wabebe yete kurutangwe wondine shetu no ntwa watafanya kazi dai bonko thro no i contract wondine njia birendi kurutira antu banjia barabara ira bawirishi bakaritiro ambi ngwe tira chekawira abikuiririte so ukifika njia ward barabara ira to akilukiri ke budget ira to akilukiri ira to abwithiri public participation nanto betiki ribwidwa ishika ritongwe tira kawira na contractors bake kana MTF abangite kubwithia sai mambo itakuwa tofauti
DS Borua Governor Kawira ibwa muimpeachre na tibati kwithwa ki transact on behalf ya county ya Meru but kinya senate ira yongwa ya muimpeachre yongwa ne mwitira committee ya senator wa I think Marsabit Chute na kinya bobongo bairitirana bawate ba tayari kwe ya kwithwa bakiri reconcile na kuwatanithia Meru nikiende chokanira so I don't know babu bukirea wita chaine ya Kawira na etiro kinya ni senate na wita michama ne CEO jitu mona bakarindi na president Antoamwe I don't know babu burayari from what angle
atukwira ngwira tukwaria and then oversight case ire president ya ruling ire case ya Gachagua that the moment mtu na impeach number 1 atibatiri kwithwari ofisine abatiri kwithwari nja case ikathira riwa shoko ofisine number 2 ugwari mantu ya committee ya senate era ya Chute rihanda riari ngenda gwire thina ire Marsabit county ni nyinge muno na Chute ataomba ku solve thina cia kwao so mbere we yo turita kakambalaka ithirithone retu turi a Meru thiria thina cia Marsabit thiria thina cia mbi cia Marsabit county na twira Meru Kawira nuntu atisio etha cia Meru akamatambia akaendia reti so barana betire tu obtain mtu nuntu na akamatete mbia cia wita kuthambia meji yake ariku na baenderia mbia na baria mengera baririe kwithwa ita mishemanio yes Council of Governance itomona etete ku na bieta igori ngwambisha yake akaura kinyate bia daya ya kuendelea ku in fact tukienda kwira Meru through Council of Governance Meru aibira to lose it no ntubwa Kawira kwithwa atona wa mishemanio neu ni almost 1 billion daya ambiriri kuira irie kuo ndaronere case court na injira cia witethia tete kuria riu aciethia so busy na kwathia kimishemanio ria wita mbere ne ataita na ibo amona utiro aita no utiro alobera Meru through the Council of Governance so it's imokari tu agobwithia na sarcasm na vipindi biake kawaida na masinema
so Mheshimiwa mtu no achuria atiri okay akwithira mantu yayo nthe bukwa accuse Kawira utumiri bobo ibo ambecha actually mbere tukinyau yoro ndira kwene TV ne na borara sibukyo bukyarira cia report ya COB na burawe tere mantu yegie utumiri bwa mbecha na nara development yethirite yeta. One of them ni chigo kia bore, but bore iyo ngwa kwena 64 million chiwe tikire report ya control of budget chiabwithitie barabara ya Ntumburi samwa ya wekirwa lami. Barabara iyo ngwa etekiri lami na nere na kire report ya control of budget ironania mbecha ira nyingi cia county ya Meru tumikite bore, lakini 64 million kire mbecha ya kwe 100 million chiongwa ite tumikite bore batere no actually uteno itumikite nire but barabara etioki. So kinya bore yo ngwatika kwende ikwenjo kinyayo development yes per se
kintu kira kitu chiturite batu ture MCs mameru utoto akolomere tokilukia barabara iwe kawire wita wake Ntumburi mushi. That is funny. Kintu kira group funny na kira nyaki uturiaria utiro to akoloma batu tubangira barabara eu kawire etere wikira lami. It is funny akoloma wengo ashikire. In fact barabara wekire ikiri lami tayotethia mukari wa area ya Buri ikawira ashikira barabara mushiore wake ire mbia oka iwekirite lami direct kende mukinyithia wake. So itotethia ategire na intention yotethia antu bariku. Number 2 rengiara akolomere wengwa ashikira barabara amuomi bwethia na area bia cionthe to completion no ndogela ge report ya control of budget ringi awete barabara ewiri 100%
200%.
That is funny no nto okethori kandarazi kwa yano mta yana wa faces utumia kwa wangu yote thiritie. So gyo ngwe ko ya Meru kwina wamba na khawira uni atagetete kujirambia but batwe atumwire twamuthiata munkambira cia Meru cionthe ayete ashokia na njira cionthe ira twatumira nonto batu tutikarande tulole mbia cia Meru ikiywa na niongo akurita
mushimo kwina CCs bawatili the department iji. Why not summon them? You know, because now okay kwithro to summon CCs, chief officers iyaka bukara yakabwe na grudge na kawira mwene.
Martin takwira batu assembly the last few months to the seek statement kuma kin department. CC bakawira most of them robot CCs. Ikawira controlled CCs. And that's why batu watro to recess. Na bole bare kinyabo ba assisire ko old office ntugera kawira impeachirwe. Na bona kenda bona seriousness ira twenyu twendo ba summon na tuwe CC urote respond ki queries ira members ba queries kana statement to aku impeach a second time. So choice paka make bible either kwa dia kawira kana to ba impeach na to kume already but officine na to impeach mtu e candidate career yake inentani.
So how will you impeach someone that is not in office?
Now the moment they are there to aba impeach na to abwithia an impeachment in the assembly ikethero ina bearing kiri your future career no nto bate kwendo comply ki statement ira to seek na to aba summon no nto most of them itukume abateya will go ahead impeach them na boba data senate in the assembly na toka ku impeach that is a history in your career ukarioga matete. So it choice baka make either batumekira Meru kana kawira mwangaza.
So mheshimiwa mwaka muthiru ni bwa chenchirie leadership kana otongeri bwa committees cia bunge na nkiaranire na bomo benu the reason ya brabwa change ke tumikia brabwa chenchirie leadership ya committees iji nikenda kwebelia ntabaraba kuwatanira na governor Kawira Mwangaza kenda quote in quote kureta sanity kiri committees iji, but seems like still mantu yara kana malengo yara nderirwe ni MCAs bange is not really there. Because okay akwithirwa still mantonto yani yokarika bote kuona statements irabo wetia, then what was the need yo change committee leadership iji?
Martin ende ruari okwamba assembly rato idera turi ire nyumba ya siasa na okay akwithirwo an assignment which a person yo committee rira member akairita from the assembly a seek statement through the chairpersons of committee so statement ya through the chairperson so we chair of committee you batiri to take the mantle ekuthiata statement ira from the executive so batu toroko loma na to seek so many statement members barabari tena biu back then tona ibo ba ukollude na executive korea kuthiata mantle ya assembly na members bongo ba committees yu bakoloma ba vote kintu kitwa a vote of no confidence na chairpersons barabari kwe itare to another new chairpersons na immediately twikuthiria kutarana twetere for recess so we are assuming February na itwitikia the new chairpersons barabatari thai baka take the mantle na barite ngui bateo favor na batena fear na usava Meru
so no fruits yet
that's why ndakwira from February bukona barabatari bakiritaira Meru ngui na riu batithirwa by corrupted most of them barabari kuo they were corrupted both mentally na psychologically so the new chairpersons barabai kuo to ina imani nabo nontu members babatarire na committee niyo ngwe ringa kura timtokoloma ataro ni members ba committee bongo baringa ambi kura oroko wa carry the majority of the vote no ya chairpersons so barabari tirwe makosa yareo okolude na executive remembers about six statement batikuona batikwendo summon these people but waiter na chairperson wenka geomba waiter ekao ke committee so together when we tre in bent na executive we inda yanda six statement ke a certain department concerning issues enjia utomba waiter kwa aria utomba kuthiata statement you so maana gani with the right chairperson to teatara mturo kadhiatira ndo ya noro kadhiatira Meru
anko makie mheshimiwa manto ya yonde yombo change kwa mbire royo because some of those barabo athurire kire committees iji bayeta kunyo chae kavana ro
bwana Martin kanko surety ke 49 MCAs utogether agenyo chae na kavira you can take it to the nearest bank ke the 49 MCAs uti whether when I karo na ngavana to impeach it na bongo ibaringire kure yo muri 13 maybe the 20 but ke 49 is zero.
What if kire 49 ba yata kunyo chai what happens
Martin ndakwira wo but 49 MCAs but we to an divine assignment you save the people of Meru na la ito ekere interest ira personal ndi to wait to tengwe to united no ndo to divine assignment murungu otutrimaneria itaririku rei to save Meru no ntungwera to niyo enene batu nyabongi bokaura and that's why we are ready to pay the ultimate sacrifice so batu to uwere mbere Meru mbere ya uyange bandai so you work as a team united na team ina cohesion no tero to me undivided and there's a promise still you can take it to the nearest bank
ile wile akwari na MCA wa Kenjai because this divine is not divine anymore ya keko dhanuka
Mheshimiwa Ken is okay that is for sure nitakwenda kwa ria maingi lakini is a general AK49 na atemea ku betray the cause right
and you're sure
100% atembe betray the cause nonto na kumenya wengwa bila kurwira ni antu bakianjai na antu ba Meru so utemea wita na interest yaku personal barako ona baya kawira ibo contractors be ite ground ibo ba aero tender mere kumbit number 1 uka impeaching governor uka dhano million yaku yele number 2 the bibe na chui ward I contract sia ward yetu hato beri to better
that's an allegation though
no that is a fact na ito better wondine nonto winda uau kintu kira mokarionji ya kolomere akilukike public participation ikyo kika implemented to the core na dai to tikwelenga kira mokarionji etire abwide public participation ikyo kika implemented tibura kawira kwenda na uni otori.
Very well. Mheshimiwa Mwendali MCA wa Jiana Deputy Speaker wa bunge ya county ya Meru wetu ni rukiriro rwari araniriye nwe okulukira SMS yetu ni 40188 kiri Facebook fan page yetu ni Weru TV kana Weru FM no withro kiare kiri page ichijili no kethro gyuria mheshimiwa kyuria na motion ntinkona thaci yetu ni kuthira kwina muchemano yonge yeti Friday. So I don't know the convenience ya wetana yua royo na yongi wetani Friday. I don't know kedroa MCAs ni bweti, but donore yaka ni former governors, former senators, former MPs ni bweti. I don't know kedroa babu bweti.
Atu mbere ito shogere kaduri nkado na kolomere wengwa ona it is good and mamiro bakarende. Na as a leader, na deputy speaker wa Senate na wa senator, ne extended invitations. Ki muno edho waniro kembere ari the sitting leaders in Meru. Tomu kinyila tomu irano na include other leaders. But again, kwena professionals ba Meru. Bakui baba left out. Kwena the clergy. Kwena the Jorincheke, Council of Elders. Kwena youth. Na still consultations ni kuendelea. We see. Tuedra tuomba include and babonde at the same time. We can have a meeting at a later date. So ituetere senator to guidance. Senator to guidance. Na uniomanto yari concerning that meeting. It has to be a consultative meeting. Inclusive. Na still wariro kuendelea. Tuona a way forward. Concerning that meeting.
So right now utumba kwa kedho weta kanotita kana kedro MCAs ba yeta.
We were invited. Yeah. That's why tukuwa Bwana Martin consultations ni kuendelea. No ntona invite. Na extended an olive branch twice. Na which is a good gesture from him. Nibi utumatua atu consult further. No ntukwe na other candidates tukuibwa still ba kwenda kwa part of the MERU meeting. So maybe by today, by tomorrow, we'll get a report concerning the meeting.
Fair enough. Yoro tiko myokedo inda kwelero bobo ya mheshimiwa Bokiare Bwena mheshimiwa Kangwana. But I would want to understand uchore bwenu na MPs bamiru da ibo kariate, you know, as the assembly na caucus ya MPs. What is the relationship? What does it look like?
Okay, but when MPs betu we work as a team. We consult. Na kutedra kwa ina an issue.
Yeah.
So au niombo mbakuwa batu assembly to ya MERU na members of parliament we work in tandem. Kutedra kwa ina rwaria rokudra rutina ngwatanero kana rutina ndwaria no ikari. So we are united as a team. We consult. Yeah. Kutedra kwa ina an issue.
Only that delivery wa kabura ba rebuke yoro bukibera iba watanire I don't know kuruma kadhuri kuruma former CS Linturi.
We come back from my science kind of perspective one that of the assembly. Winde Mwendali MC on Award na deputy speaker of county assembly ya Meru na assembly ya Meru more so the 49 MCAs to take any differences na our members of parliament as things are. How do you automatic kutina ndo gari.
Very well. Kiri kiri mheshimiwa Mwendali. Jem Kiri Arua, no one is in need of Kawira's tea. Wacha kunywe. Kenneth Arua, the so-called deputy speaker. Okay. Yeah. So now, mheshimiwa, tuchoke kiri siasa cha Meru in a minute. Have you involved maybe agencies chedrikari ya EACC kuchunkuna ya mwema ya mantu ya bukiwa ati Governor Kawira nethirito akibwithia embezzlement
Bwana Martin, if you remember there is a report yomite ya EACC ikiwa ina 48 cases cia Kawira Mwangaza. So our concerned uti action ira taken. We are still writing letters to those agencies. Kuberibeye babu the investigations in Meru. Nuntu Meru ni embezzlement na corruption zilikuwa. It want to create a control of budget. It want to create a Senate. So atwera Meru mbia cio nyingi. Itumiro cover makutho ya. Nazo ya Meru batengwe bakuona. Kawira arita ya mbia cia Meru akaita nusu akaendelea. Ntuba EACC akaita nusu egi akaendelea. Control of budget akaita ingi akaendelea.
That is a very serious allegation.
No, that is the truth. Okay, there are issues ni kuendelea. Na EACC yongwani yiteka huwa kwena 48 cases against Kawira Mwangaza. 2 years along the line, ute action botik. Manto ya kuendelea. Manto ya kuendelea Meru. So kuona niambia cia Meru iri wa kunika. Iri gareti mtu endelea otuia. So ni Meru bongo ba ukira. They stand up na baruire right show bari Meru. Na bambiri wite maendeleo. Backdating. And that's why ndawire yoro ui. Ondine kwa going forward. Ndio ya report ya the year 2022-2023. Bora tutethirwe njia. No munka twethirwe. 2023-2024. Bora tutethirwe tuno munka twethirwe. Then mwaka yu tugethwa twi more keen. Yo 2024-2025. And that's why turaua ukethirwa tutumba kuritira ngwe koina discrimination. Then it will make sense Bwana Martin mtu endelea kureassess. Imbio kurira thirikari, imbio support thirikari na bio netio tukuthikiria. Na kariba njia part and parcel baraba ko watela thirikari ya Meru yomba baritira ngwe. So gondi cietu irite kuritira ngwe, areas irite kuritira ngwe. We'll give them directions. Onto wondi yakwa ninkaroma. Na twa wata mtu enda kabutika yellow atutaangaliana na yeye.
Mheshimiwa, that is tantamount to incitement na economic sabotage.
That is not incitement. Uwe Martin dihoria huita tax. Kanenda wakoria cess. Team benefit kwenda kithirikari.
Of course.
The services. So kethwa thirikari tu kwa services. Why are you supporting the thirikari in tu kwa services iro kwenda? So the best thing ibatwe muno tulweli area sumite. Area tukone tena support ya thirikari. Utema endeleo yakweya. Nonto mbira cie ya tesha Kawira. Na tesha mure abaisho. Na tesha baite. Na tesha family ngwantai. Imbia cia Meru. So if tokoloma tuona wondi cietu ti services ikupona. Kuma thirikari county ya Meru. Then winde Roma ndiye mutongerio on Jia ward. Elected by the people of Jia ward to represent them. Ndibere tutikuri assess. Na tuina market cietu ile assess. Mutene market is one. Bringene market is another one. Na maili 3. Na tukambiria that process. Ode mtu ari assess ukethwa the garbage ire kwete kuona mtu okoya na okere ambia yu. Ode mtu ari assess itabira biekuo bitekubwedo byakana. Kutena maana.
These are the issues. Irabubati wetaroyo Mheshimiwa Kedabu insists on them being kulikidwa.
Bwana Martin. Ndakwira njirere batu turi MCA turashuri through statement. Assembly. Te mandazine na chaine. Kawira nare mandazi yake na tuire kuria na family yake. Na anywe chai yake na ntubake. Batu we are not ready kunywa chai na Kawira. Batu tukaurishi yetu bietu wora tuurashi through the assembly to the executive. Through committees iriri kuo kenderi tangui. Unyo ita oversight Bwana Martin. Hii ingine ni vipidri na masinemari. Na Kawira itaitharwa genuine. In the first place. Yes, aro tuita mshemani. Itu inyao tuita. Sincerity enkorweke wozoya. Na yurambiri inyao ita mitandao mbere inyatwiro. Na moment arandikira barua social media yambirio trend kenda seta masinema enda kuona ni MCAs batebui. Hatu kuire itwa kumenyera Kawira. Ora kire itwa witira oisho maragara. Na itwa kumilire. Na batu tutirendi kuzetha garata kwa kwendu tushedithia. Na unyo turi.
Bottom line ni ati boteta kunyo chai.
Bottom
boteta
line.
Mchama ni ya kawira.
Bottom line. Kide 49 MCAs. Ituone shibitari sietu ina dawa. Kikunywa chai. Ituone barabara sietu isawa sawa. Kikunywa chai. Arimo ba ECD. Ibaandikwe. Kikunywa chai. Aritungwe ba county. Ibone mishara. Bere tunywa chai. Madaktari yaandikwe. Bere tunywa chai. That's our start.
Tukidhiria mheshimiwa, supporters ba kawira bakaua ati babwe kabote kwenda kinyathiri ndene account ya MERU.
Supporters ba kawira bena freedom mwe kwari ora bakari no ntwa kirisho ikamati kawira kinyarira bona endu ba yagire yambia cia MERU no bona ba mwere endelea mama governor.
The lady is being paid his salary for God's sake.
So ibendelea mu support ba kema ibo bakari wo no timeo ba change. It is normal. Na mwenda atina bakewe, na MCU atina bakewe. So yeah, utena supporters bake. Au nionkagia ulairwa.
Mheshimiwa aliria ntuba anchi, and of course MERU no the deputy speaker in less than a minute.
Antubanjia ndabwirire tukethwa twina village meetings nkebwira bila twekire ki budget ya mwaka wa 2024 2025 na twabwithie micemani ndaromba bwituri na wingi twitinte bietu kimu MERU ite irakinyira ro MERU wengwa rome eti maendeleo TPR na tuberera tukaroma ibatwe support muno muno ritu kuyana oversight activities turene shetu batu MERU tukurira na turenda fair MERU, a free MERU na just MERU for all minus discrimination. That is our start.
Thank you. Asante sana Mheshimiwa Mwenda Ali, MCA wa wadi ya Jia na Deputy Speaker wa bunge ya county MERU tukiara nenu nerukiro ruari kwenda kumenya what's really happening ndani ya county MERU. Kuwa niko na swali kwa Mheshimiwa Askim, kukaza yao na our roads Gichangi are impassable. What is that now? Bwakuri
tumore bibi tumurwira nundu twekire mbia shendwe ki MTF kwe wond like ondi kabira yakiri almost 12 million ke barabara MTF ya yako ri barabara ya milioni 10 ireta so nya utokathia ata ginya MTF utugenda kumamnya mu wetwa MTF ogwo yakayambia cia MERU no, and we'll write a statement, we'll seek so many statements going forward na tukaende ginya barua kwa ECC
statement that itachokwa.
Yeah, na tuka impeach.
What is the benefit?
We'll summon them, impeach them. Barabario at that stage.
Thank you. Asante sana Mheshimiwa Mwenda Ali, MCA wa Jia na Deputy Speaker wa bunge ya kaunti ya MERU.